guys, this is Anshodi and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I am going to show you how to use subscript and superscript tags. So what is subscript and superscript tags? A subscript or superscript is a character that is set slightly below or above the line of type. Okay, how do you type of subscript? Okay, and maybe you will have seen this formula of water formula H2O. So how to is below with the help of subscript and superscript like a square a square plus b square. So I'm going to use it. How to use? Okay, so I will open my HTML and I will write open with code. .html, and here I will write my basic code of HTML head, title, body. Okay, so how to use subscript and superscript. And now first of all I will use subscript. Subscript tag is sub like this and 2, and here I will save it and I will open my document. So here you can see 2 now is appear, but this is very small. First of all I will remove it and write paragraph tag, and there I will write water formula is H and subscript and 2 H2O. Okay, and save it and refresh it. So now you can see water formula is H2O. 2 is in the below line. Okay, and now I will use superscript. Another paragraph I will write there a the superscript sup. Superscript tag is sup a square plus b square okay, save and refresh it. So you can see there a square plus b square. Okay, I have given there a space. Okay, now this is clear. Refresh it. So here you can see a square plus b square. Okay, so that is it. If you like this video, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.